This quick honest review is of the Finish dishwasher cleaning tabs. Let me show you. These are cleaning tabs from Finish, which is different to your dishwasher tabs that you put in to actually clean the dishes and glasses and things like that. What this actually does is it cleans the dishwasher itself. So all you do is you just you put one of these at the bottom at the bottom of your dishwasher. You fill your dishwasher as normal, and you run a regular cycle. That's basically it. And what it does, it's going to clean your dishwasher itself, any sort of the hard water stains, limescale buildup, grease, that sort of thing that accumulates at the bottom of your dishwasher. They recommend sort of using one a week. So a 3-pack here lasts sort of 3 weeks. And I find this really actually does work very well to clean the dishwasher itself. So yeah, I've been using these a few times to try them out, and works great. So I'm definitely recommending this product. There is on Amazon, price points is around about $6 per pack. You can also do subscribe and save you a few dollars. That's at around about $5 per pack. So yeah, you can go ahead and and get what I typically do is just sort of use a subscribe and save, and I'll order sort of 3 of them. That'll last me sort of a couple of months or so. So yeah, really good quality product from Finish, works very well, low price point. So I'm going to give this a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching Quick Honest Reviews.